Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another show of program Sochiye. I hope you all are doing well and Corona is still around and getting yourself vaccinated for it. So today the topic I want to discuss is about family engagement in early years. और ये टॉपिक क्यों इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज मुझे लगता है इस टॉपिक पर बात ही नहीं होती ऑल्दो साउंड्स लाइक अ वेरी नॉर्मल टॉपिक और अ वेरी और काइंड ऑफ अ कॉन्वर्जेशन जो हम अपने घरों में करते हैं बट मुझे लगता है इसके ऊपर इसकी टेक्निकलिटीज़ के ऊपर हमने कभी बात नहीं की तो आई हैव अ गेस्ट विद मी हु इज़ एन एजुकेशनिस्ट जिनका बहुत वास्ट एक्सपीरियंस है with children and their families because of course you know when you are an educationist you get to meet parents as well and you know the other family members तो एक तो उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस कितनी है क्योंकि हमें बहुत दफ़ा नज़र आता है कि पेरेंट्स को भी बिकॉज वो भी कोई यू नो पहले से प्रैक्टिस करके या कोई ट्रेनिंग लेकर नहीं आए होते पेरेंटहुड की तो उनको भी बहुत दफ़ा समझ नहीं आता कि उनके जो बच्चों की एकेडमिक्स हैं या जनरली भी लाइफ में दूसरे एस्पेक्ट्स हैं उनको किस तरह यू नो हैंडल किया जाए या उनकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट किस हद तक ज़रूरी है क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि बाज़ दफ़ा आप ओवर इन्वॉल्व हों दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी हेल्दी और बाज़ दफ़ा कुछ पेरेंट्स होते हैं जो कि अंडर इन्वॉल्व होते हैं अपनी तरफ से सोच करके यू नो मे बी दिस विल मेक देयर चिल्ड्रन वेरी इंडिपेंडेंट सो मकसद गेस्ट को बुलाने का और वो भी रेलिवेंट फील्ड से यही होता है कि वो आपको टेक्निकल साइड और यू नो ऐसी टिप्स दे सकते हैं जिससे यू वुड गेट टू नो दैट व्हाट इज़ द हेल्दियर एंड अ बैलेंस्ड way to go about it. Let's welcome our guest in the studio. Her name is Sharmeen and I want her to introduce herself for us. Assalamu alaikum Sharmeen.
Walaikum assalam Sana. Thank you so much. And introduction यही है. I'm an educationist for the past 7 years now.
Amazing.
Whatever I'm going to say is going to be based on my experience.
Yeah.
I'm no psychologist. I have learned everything by observing things and by being in that situation.
Absolutely. I think that's the most wonderful thing.
Yes.
Yeah. So you can talk from experience, right? You know?
Exactly. And आपने जो बात की है वो बिल्कुल सही बात की है कि family involvement, family engagement जितनी ज़रूरी है उतना ही we don't talk about it. We think कि एक तो सबसे important चीज़ जिसके बारे में I'm very happy that people are actually talking about it. The best thing about today's generation is that we talk about things. जो सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि stop comparing your kids with you yourself, your parents with the way you're parenting. ये बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हमें हमारे बड़ों की तरफ से भी आते हैं कि नहीं हम तो इस तरह करते थे और हम टाइम्स आर चेंजिंग और अगर आप उसी स्ट्रैटेजी को लेके चलेंगे तो चीज़ें ख़राब होती हैं बहुत ज़्यादा एंड वी हैव सीन इट कि चीज़ें ख़राब ही होती हैं सो येस फैमिली इंगेजमेंट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन अर्ली ईयर्स एंड जितना इसके बारे में बात की जाए उतनी कम है बट वील ट्राई टू कवर एज मेनी टॉपिक्स एज वी कैन
एग्जैक्टली शारमीन मेरा क्वेश्चन ये कि देखो वही आता है कि फैमिली एंगेजमेंट की बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंस है बट बात वही आ जाती है कि वी समहाउ लैक द बैलेंस और यू नो द अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट हाउ मच इज इनफ you know sometimes because we have seen parents being overly involved and sometimes you know they're quite absent so in both the cases of course we see they lack the balance so can you tell us any tips or you know any strategies that you know can be followed?
I'll tell you one thing Sana, I am not a parent. I will everything that I say is from a perspective of an educator. ठीक है my observation has been that yes there needs to be a balance बट वो बैलेंस ही इंसान ढूंढते ढूंढते अपनी सारी जिंदगी गुजार देता है अब जब बचपन से आप देखते हैं चीज़ों को और आप बच्चा है यू आर डूइंग योर बेस्ट यू थिंक यू आर डूइंग योर बेस्ट फॉर योर चाइल्ड या यू थिंक दैट आप अपने बच्चे को स्कूल भी भेज देते हैं और वहाँ जाके पेरेंट इज ऑल्सो रिलैक्स कि बच्चा स्कूल चला गया अब बात आती है दूसरी बच्चा तो स्कूल चला गया है बट जो पहली लर्निंग का स्टेज है वो आपका अपना घर होता है So let's just say कि एक बच्चा है he's coming in school and we're teaching them you know be kind, be courteous and everything but then he's going home and he's observing the complete opposite. So the child is coming to school and we're teaching him be courteous, be kind, you know when you're talking to elders, when you're talking to your friends, don't scream, screaming is not nice and we're teaching all these nice things और जब बच्चा घर जा रहा है तो he is observing the exact opposite. Being an educator for the past 6-7 years, I have seen a clear difference, and I completely understand that parents are coming from different backgrounds. I completely understand there are single mothers as well who are working day and night to support their children. But then again, there is a clear difference when you see the parents and when you see the child, how involved they are, and then the child excels. And it is very noticeable. You can't ignore it. When I was a teacher, there was this student who came to me and he said that so basically he had a fight, and he said so I told him that, beta, you don't fight, you never hit, that's not nice. So he said, no, but my father tells me that when you fight with someone you always hit them. So that was shocking for me. But when I spoke to the parents, they were really involved in their child's life. So when I spoke to them, it had a completely different perspective, where they were coming from. But see, kids are really young. Unka dimag abhi itna
how they perceived it.
Exactly. He just picked up what he wanted from that one thing ke bas you always hit. तो बच्चों का तो दिमाग इतना ज़्यादा मतलब इतनी complicated चीज़ें समझ ही नहीं सकता. One very important thing that I have noticed: stop treating kids like grown-ups. They are kids. They if I think about myself, there was a time in my life when I was like in grade 4 or 5, and I would find some mathematical problems really difficult to understand. Like I would actually cry and struggle because I was unable to comprehend what was happening. Now when I look back, I'm like, this was so easy.
So relatable what you're saying.
See, and now, but we expect children to understand the situation that they're in as adults, because we also want our peace of mind. I understand that parents are coming from different backgrounds again, but then we have a responsibility towards kids as well.
Absolutely.
So it is very important to make sure that even if you're having an argument, make sure that you're not doing it in front of the kids. That is the least that we can do for them. It is very unfair to children to witness things that they are not supposed to witness.
They're not actually ready to understand.
Exactly.
Their mental capacity is not such that they understand what is happening and why is it happening. So maybe they then perceive it from a different angle.
Absolutely.
So, I totally agree. And when you said there's something that you said that made me think about this line, that the most screamed word is the word quiet.
Absolutely.
So you're screaming and you're teaching children to be quiet. Like wow, how amazing is that? So वही contradiction आ जाती है.
Yes, and it's always a teamwork. You cannot expect, like I see so many parents, when parents are enrolling their children in schools, I can actually see that for them, their child or their children, they mean the world to them.
बिल्कुल.
They mean everything.
बिल्कुल.
For you, for a teacher, he or she might be just a student in 30 students, one of 30 students. But for their parents, they are the world to them. So if teachers understand this point, that they are handing over their world to you for like 5-6 hours, their teaching and the strategies will completely change.
Absolutely. Sharmeen, you know what, मुझे लगता है कि अब जो हमारे इवन जो हम अवार्ड्स देते हैं बच्चों को या सर्टिफिकेट देते हैं, जो कि मैंने I've seen the school system I work with, I've seen that they have really put in an effort, and they are quite into it and empathetic towards children, and they do take care of these things. But I'm talking about generally school systems, that the awards and rewards you're giving them are also very focused on okay, so good attendance and good academics and all. So we do lack the emotional side, where it's needed now to be taught through school systems.
Absolutely.
That, okay, the kindest child or the most helpful child. These things should be also be told to the child, that he feels proud about their being so emotionally equipped, that you can be nice to your fellow students.
Bilkul. And see, we want a better world. We want to make this world a happy place, and we want so many things. But what we don't want to do is change.
Absolutely.
We will throw, we eat something and we'll throw the wrapper, because already there's so much garbage around the corner.
So what role am I going to play? Leave it, let's be part of the mob.
Exactly. As an educator, I feel like it is our responsibility to make sure that we are not just teaching ABC 1 2 3 alif
Exactly.
we are actually changing the little minds.
Yeah.
We are preparing them for a better world.
बिल्कुल.
No alien is going to come and make this world a better place for our
बिल्कुल,
children.
बिल्कुल.
And these are our children that we are talking about. So we have to tell them to be kind. You know, these you think that oh they're kids, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
बोल दिया, बच्चे बस नहीं सुनते. बच्चे हर बात सुनते हैं, वो हर बात अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं, उनको सब समझ आ रहा होता है. और ये जो आपको मुसलसल वो कहते हैं ना कतरा कतरा गिर के जो है वो पत्थर में भी छेद कर देता है. तो वो यही बात होती है कि आपको आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ही बच्चे, अब जब हम बड़े होते हैं, लाइक आई हैव सीन, मेरे अंदर इतनी ज्यादा चीजें ऐसी हैं जो कि आई हैव टेकन फ्रॉम माय फादर, बट माय फादर नेवर टॉट मी दोस थिंग्स.
Exactly. It's
And
the
then
role
it's the
modeling.
same for my
you know.
mother कि
Yeah,
they never sat me down and said, लेकिन आपने क्या किया, ऑब्जर्व किया.
Yeah.
कमिंग बैक टू फैमिली एंगेजमेंट,
Yeah.
आप बच्चे को अगर सिखाओगे ना कि throw the wrapper in the dustbin, he's never going to learn it unless he sees you.
Yeah, exactly.
If you're screaming in front of your child, चुप करके बैठ जाओ,
yes.
and you want him कि वो कल को जब बात करे तो वो इतनी अच्छे तरीके से बात करे कि लोग वाह वाह करें. ऐसे
असल में
नहीं
यही है ना कि we as an adults, you know, we don't slow down and think what we are doing. Sometimes we are doing such silly things.
Yeah.
and trying to teach our children, you know, वो ये कि practice हमने करनी नहीं है. Preaching is very easy. You know, stand up and preach something.
Exactly.
It's very easy.
Exactly.
Why don't you practice it? So if you want your child to be quiet, that is also I think very abnormal. Why would you want a child to be quiet in the first place?
Absolutely.
Right? But if you want for
that is so
some
unhealthy
Exactly.
for their emotional health. It is so
Yeah.
unhealthy. A child is just sitting quietly.
See, because we sadly as adults or as parents or as, you know, authority figures want children to obey us, you know, and we teach them that, you know, कि obedience is a very good thing.
Yeah.
जबकि obedience is not a good thing, you know.
It's
You should
not,
tell
yeah.
them that, you know, why would you obey? Somebody has to earn respect, no matter if it's an adult या आपका बड़ा है फैमिली में या कोई भी है, रिस्पेक्ट आपको अर्न करनी होती है, राइट?
Actually, Sana, I'll add one more thing here. जो आपने बात की, it is related to communicating your
Yeah.
issues. In Pakistan especially, because since I'm living in Pakistan, so I can only speak for
Yeah,
Pakistan.
बिल्कुल.
Generation after generation after generation हमें ये समझाया गया है, सिखाया गया है, be it a man or be it a woman, कि आप आदमियों को कहा जाता है कि बहुत अच्छा है, बाहर के मसले घर नहीं लेके आता. इसका मतलब कि वो अंदर बॉयल होता जा रहा है.
बिल्कुल.
औरतों को ये समझाया जाता है कि वो व्हेन यू नो ही इज कमिंग होम तो आपने कोई शिकायत नहीं करनी. इसका मतलब वो अंदर बॉयल होती जा रही है. बच्चे हैं तो एक फादर फिगर ऐसा है कि आपकी कम्युनिकेशन जीरो हो फादर से.
बिल्कुल.
कि क्यों? क्योंकि यू रिस्पेक्ट हिम अ लॉट. दिस इज नॉट
रिस्पेक्ट एंड बी स्केयर्ड ऑफ हिम. दैट्स द ओनली क्वालिटी ऑफ फादर शुड हैव.
पाकिस्तान में आप 80% फैमिलीज देखें तो उधर फादर्स का रोल, एक अच्छे फादर का रोल ही यही है कि वो आए कमरे में तो आप लोग कमरे से भाग जाओ.
हाँ, ये रोल सिखा दिया गया है ना.
दिस इज सो डैमेजिंग. लेकिन अब बच्चे भी ये देखते हैं. आई एम ग्लैड टू सी कि नाउ टाइम्स आर चेंजिंग, especially fathers, husbands, wives, they are communicating more. Obviously when they are communicating more, there are more fights, there are more arguments.
Exactly.
But even that can turn into something healthy.
Absolutely. You know, हमें as a society सिखाया जाता है कि conflict बहुत बुरी चीज है. जबकि conflict से ही तो आप learn करेंगे. Conflict से ही तो आप दूसरे की different colors देखेंगे.
Absolutely.
If you act all nice and you're all fake, that okay, nothing bad happened to
Yeah.
me, or I don't have negative emotions, I don't get tired, you
Yeah.
know. वो जो मिजरी का कॉन्सेप्ट है ना हमारा, कि औरत भी मिजरेबल बहुत अच्छी है, यू कीप योर मिजरी टू योर सेल्फ, और आदमी भी बाहर की मिजरियां जो बेचारा लेकर आता है घर, वो भी मिजरेबल ही ठीक है. यू से दैट आई एम सो सैक्रिफिशियल फॉर माई फैमिली एंड be proud of it, and you know, for the women also, you just be proud of it. So what are children learning?
Exactly. अब family engagement में भी अगर हम देखें, fathers are not just money making machines.
But they are treated like one.
They are treated like one. Obviously, they have more responsibilities. Like not more, because women also have more responsibilities. They have different responsibilities. Yeah. But monetary values के अलावा भी, you have to sit शाम की चाय.
Yeah.
This my favorite thing in my family is when me and my father sit and we have शाम की चाय. और उसका जो इम्पैक्ट है वो इतना लास्टिंग होता है. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट इन माई फैमिली लाइक ओ आई एम डूइंग इट, इवन लाइक आई एम मैरिड, सो इवन विद माई मदर इन लॉ वी सिट एंड वी टॉक.
Yeah.
If we like assuming things, oh मुझे लगा आपको ऐसा लगा होगा.
Exactly. That's the mother of all problems.
Mother of all problems. We like assuming things. आप बैठो, अब किसी के साथ कोई इशू हो, जब तक आप बैठ के बात नहीं करेंगे, आपको कैसे पता लगेगा कि अगला, even with kids, you sit with them and you talk.
सी तो हमें डराए एज अ सोसाइटी कम्युनिकेशन से जाता है ना, माँ से बात नहीं करनी, माँ से बदतमीजी, यार बात करेंगे तो बदतमीजी भी थोड़ी बहुत हो ही जाएगी.
लेकिन मैं बदतमीजी के तो सख्त खिलाफ हूँ, लेकिन हम भी तो बच्चों से बदतमीजी करते हैं.
दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. बदतमीजी को अब आप किस जुमरे में लाते हैं, दैट्स यू नो, देन अगेन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर परसेप्शन यू विल सी इट. आई थिंक इट इज टोटली नॉर्मल. लाइक इफ माय चाइल्ड वुड थ्रो अ फिट, I would take it as a very humanly thing to happen. I would not take it as an insult. My child, this is what I think many people would disagree, but my child should have the right to be angry at me as well. This is what I think, because as a human, if I can also get angry on my child, he or she should also be the right.
I'll tell you one
thing. Should
thing.
have a right.
Yeah, I read it somewhere that it's okay to be angry, but it's never okay to be cruel.
Yeah, to take it out on somebody else.
See, anger is an emotion. You have to manage that emotion. It can come from kids, it can come from parents, it can come from spouses, it can come from a lot of people. How you handle things, like, oh, आपने गुस्से में अगले की सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट खत्म कर दी.
हाँ, फिर वो तो फिर then comes, you know, of course, you know, what is your school of thought? What do you think? But expressing it, I don't think it's a bad thing. You have to express it somewhere. You have to have somebody in your life where you can express those emotions as well, because you are not made up of all the good emotions.
I'll tell you, Sana, when you know that it's okay to express your emotions, तो आपके emotions जो आते भी हैं ना, वो इतने दबे हुए, वो हट के नहीं निकलते. Because you know, okay, you are having a moment, you need some time alone, or you want to talk to your father, mother. तो you are comfortable. आपको पता है कि गुस्सा है ना, सही हो जाएगा.
And you learn so much from it, you know, even that kind of expression, and then, you know, okay, you get to see different colors of different people as well, you know, otherwise if you see all goodness in somebody, that is not possible. And it's not about goodness or, you know, having something bad or evil, it's just that, you know, being human.
I'll tell you one more thing. Back in my teaching days, I had a student, and it's a very small example. So basically, I wrote something and it was wrong, and she pointed it out. She was 4 years old. Wow. She pointed it out and she said, "Teacher," and she was scared, obviously, because you know how we treat kids who correct us.
Yes.
So she said, "Teacher, I think you made a mistake." And I looked at it and I was like, "Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, guys. You know, XYZ has pointed it out, and we need to do this again. I'm so sorry, guys." She went home. She told her mother. Her mother called me the next day and said, "I am so happy that she said that my teacher apologized." I said, "Of course, because I was wrong." Here, if a child is even correcting your pronunciation, you're like, "मुझे मत सिखाओ."
You're defensive now.
You're defensive. But जबकि आप learn कर रहे हो, I'll tell you, even as a teacher, my teaching strategies and my patience level changed when my niece was born.
Oh, yeah.
It changed completely because then I could see her in all my students.
Yes, true.
And there's one more thing. See, we started with family engagement, but then again, it's a teamwork. It's never a one-way road.
Yeah.
You should not be an educator if you do not feel for kids.
Absolutely, I agree.
You because in Pakistan,
don't go for this field.
In Pakistan, हमें कहा जाता है कुछ भी नहीं करे तो टीचर बन जाओ, और होता भी है. अब तो खैर dynamics have changed. You know, teaching is a career. It's not just कि वो ये तो कुछ नहीं करी तो सब
there are trainings involved and all.
Absolutely, and trainings are a very important part in anyone's life. Trainings, they actually form you. They actually change you.
You know, and a good teacher. We think that general perception of a good teacher is academically strong and this and that. I'll tell you, the kind of upbringing my children have is a little different. It's more empathetic. It's more towards, you know, towards grooming the emotional side as well. Because of course I myself am aware the only quality my children would pick up in a teacher is kindness.
Absolutely.
So, Mama, that teacher is very nice. She is so kind. Now they are able to grasp the concept from such a person who's kind, you know. They're able to hear her or him. when they're unkind, you know, they're doing their duty, they're good, excellent at academics, they're doing their duty so strictly, and you know, the face is so harsh, my children would stop listening to them.
My question is, if you hate kids so much, why are you a teacher?
Yeah, I think it's not just about hating children, it's about you hating the life so much that, you know, you're so unhappy that you can't be nice to the most beautiful thing in the world, that are children.
Yes, and as you said, see, when a child walks in the class, they don't care about ABC.
Exactly.
They don't care what you're going to teach them. They will look at your face. I remember my teacher, my teacher who was teaching me when I was in grade 1. I would like to name her as well. Her name was Ma'am Nasreen, and she was a sweetheart. And no, she was not overly nice, but she was kind. So
that can be that can be felt, I think, through gestures, through maybe a smile or you know, some vibe. You don't have to really say something.
And it's very important for parents as well to observe and to notice whatever is happening or however their child is behaving, and discuss it with the school. See, I always say it's a teamwork. If your child is excelling in work or if your child is lagging behind, you always need to work with the school, and the school needs to work with you. If a teacher is communicating that, you know, today I saw my child, and you know, today I saw your child, and I could see that something was bothering. पेरेंट को भी ये पता लगता है कि आप कितने इन्वॉल्व हो बच्चे के अंदर. एंड सिमिलरली वी एज एजुकेटर्स वी रिस्पेक्ट द पेरेंट्स. लाइक आई एम स्पीकिंग फॉर माई सेल्फ. I would always respect those parents जो कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि छोटी छोटी बातों पे ले आ जाते हैं. No, I love it. How involved you are. So it's making my job worth it. कि बहुत दफा पेरेंट्स होते हैं वो छोटी छोटी बातों पे पूछते हैं, नहीं इसने कल नगेट्स का ये नहीं रह गया था. आई लव इट.
आई आल्सो लाइक इट.
आई लव इट. इट शोज कि आप कितने इन्वॉल्व हो अपने बच्चे की लाइफ में. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट मदर्स, इट्स कमिंग फ्रॉम फादर्स एज वेल.
बिल्कुल. एंड नाउ आई सी दैट यू नो देयर इज सो मच मोर एंगेजमेंट फ्रॉम फादर्स आल्सो कमिंग.
यस, एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. इट इज ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज नाउ आपके बच्चे जब आपको ये करते हुए देख रहे हैं ना, तो दे आर गोइंग टू लर्न फ्रॉम व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, नॉट व्हाट यू आर टीचिंग them.
They won't be stuck with the gender roles, like father is not to participate, you know, in certain activities.
पापा से छुपा लो, पापा को कोई बात ना बताओ. नहीं, अब तो पेरेंट्स बैठ के डिस्कस करते हैं कि आपने आगे किस तरह इस चीज को लेके, वो फिर कम्युनिकेशन और सब बातें इसी में आ जाती हैं. Yesterday I was having a discussion with one of my friends, and she was saying, no, हमारे माँ बाप ने भी तो हमें मारा है, तो हम तो बिल्कुल सही थे.
Oh, that's a separate topic I want to talk about, you know, for hours.
For hours. I was like, absolutely
this toxic behavior seen and glorified as wow, parents to marte and all. I think that this needs to be discouraged, and we need to learn new ways.
The other day I was watching a video on Facebook of a teacher hitting a student, and that student retaliating verbally by, you know, he got angry, and everyone was like blaming the student कि ये किस तरह की तरबियत है, टीचर पे बोल रहा है.
I mean, teacher is not a कोई super.
The point is कि why are you hitting a child, a human being?
Child, yeah.
And why are you hitting him? And you know, maybe his parents treat him with respect. That's why he's not accepting this behavior, and he has every right to retaliate.
Absolutely, nobody has the right to hit the other person or even an animal. You have an issue, talk about it. Or if you don't like the person,
but
just,
we
you know,
still glorify the fact that
we do बड़े मारते हैं.
No, absolutely. एंड उस्ताद का तो रोल ही ये है कि अगर आप बच्चे को दिखा रहे हो ना कि इट्स ओके, कि आप किसी को नहीं समझ रहे, तो इसलिए तो आप देखते हैं कि जरा सी छोटी छोटे पेटी इश्यूज पे लड़ाइयाँ हो रही हैं.
तभी वो बच्चा फिर आगे जाकर सोसाइटी में ये बिहेवियर और ये एटीट्यूड लेकर जाएगा कि हिटिंग इज ओके. किसी को मेरी बात नहीं समझ आ रही, अच्छा मैंने इसको कहा कारियाना पार करो, सो उसने नहीं सुना, अब वो भी हिट करेगा बिकॉज़ ही हैज लर्नड फ्रॉम हिज एल्डर्स. एंड
हम बच्चों में इतनी ज्यादा, बच्चों को कभी कभी इस तरह इतनी छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए आई वुड से टॉर्चर करते हैं. लाइक एक एग्जांपल ही थी कि इफ यू ड्रॉप अ कप, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल राइट नाउ इफ यू ड्रॉप अ कप, एम आई गोइंग टू स्क्रीम एट यू?
बिल्कुल.
I would look insane
because I can defend myself. See, we have a mentality where we are in power. We think, you know, somebody who's
Yeah.
who doesn't have power, let's abuse our power.
If a child drops a cup, God forbid,
because he
तो
can't defend
आपकी तो
himself.
एक तो आपके अराउंड सारे लोग आपकी पेरेंटिंग पे आ जाएंगे,
Yes.
वहां से शुरू करेंगे. हालांकि let them learn.
Let them be human.
Let
That's
them be
the
human.
main point.
Let them enjoy their childhood. Eventually, they are going to grow up. They are going to learn things. Stop treating kids like
Bilkul,
grown-ups.
bilkul. Amazing. That's amazing point. Thank you so much, Sharmi. These kind of topics, actually we have an, time boundary. Otherwise, we can talk about it. Go on.
Thank you so much, Sana, for having me, and
Thanks a lot
I am
for
glad
coming.
I came and we could, talk about so
at
many
least
important
touch
things.
these topics. We'll
Yeah.
definitely have another show where we will talk about
Definitely.
this parents hitting or teachers
Yeah.
hitting, because this is a very important topic.
Absolutely.
and the way we see it. Thank you so much. Inshallah, see you again in
Thank you.
other. So I hope you have learned some good points from the discussion. जैसे कि हमने देखा है कि और सुना है कि फैमिली इंगेजमेंट से बच्चों की परफॉर्मेंस पे कितना असर पड़ता है. और आई थिंक हमें कहने का मकसद ये नहीं है कि हमें परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में ही बहुत फोकस्ड हो जाना चाहिए कि बच्चा परफॉर्म एकेडमिकली कैसे कर रहा है. हमें बच्चे की ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस की बात की जा रही है, जहाँ उसकी इमोशनल रेगुलेशन भी आती है, जहाँ पर उसका हाउ ही ट्रीट्स अदर क्लास फेलोज ऑल्सो, वो ज़िंदगी को किस तरह लेता है, वो लोगों के साथ रिस्पॉन्ड कैसे करता है. कहीं उसने ये तो लर्न नहीं कर लिया कि रिस्पॉन्ड करने का उसको कभी पता ही ना चला हो और वो हमेशा रिएक्ट करता हो. तो ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं ये इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं एक बच्चे की अपब्रिंगिंग में, एक बच्चे की फॉर्मेशन में. और जो फॉर्मेटिव ईयर्स होते हैं उसमें सिर्फ कोई एक इंसान का रोल नहीं डिटर्मिन कर सकता कि वो बच्चा आगे जाकर क्या करेगा. अगर किसी का एक पेरेंट बहुत इन्वॉल्व है और दूसरा बिल्कुल एब्सेंट है, तो वो पेरेंट दूसरे की उस तरह से जगह फिल नहीं कर पाएगा. कहने का ये एक्चुअली मकसद नहीं है कि वो पेरेंट, अगर किसी का सिंगल पेरेंट है तो वो स्पेस फिल नहीं कर पाता. हर इंसान की अलग स्पेस है. And then you learn also different things from different people and different relations. So ये है कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में जो भी है, अगर आपके बच्चे हैं और आप उनकी ज़िंदगी में कोई इम्पैक्ट लाना चाहते हैं पॉजिटिव, तो फिर आपको उनके साथ इंगेज रहना पड़ेगा. आप अगर समझें कि हमने स्कूल में एडमिट करा दिया और अब हमारी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ख़त्म हो गई है और स्कूल ये क्यों नहीं करा रहा और स्कूल वो क्यों नहीं करा रहा, तो ये आपकी समझने की बात है कि अगर आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन अपने बच्चे की लाइफ में ना हुआ और आप समझते हैं कि हम इनको बहुत इंडिपेंडेंट बना रहे हैं बाय बीइंग एब्सेंट फ्रॉम देयर लाइव्स, और हम जो हैं वो मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट्स देने में उनको इतना बिजी हैं कि हमारे पास तो टाइम ही नहीं है उनकी इमोशनल वर्ल्ड पर काम करने का या उनके साथ इंगेज होने का या टीचर्स के साथ कम्युनिकेट करने का कि वेयर माई चाइल्ड स्टैंड नॉट ओनली एकेडमिकली बट ओवरऑल ऑल्सो एज अ ह्यूमन, एज अ क्लास फेलो, एज अ स्टूडेंट, एज अ मेंबर ऑफ द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो. So I hope you have learned some good points from the discussion, and we'll keep on bringing good topics and the topics that can really create awareness on different issues. So I'll see you inshallah in next show. Allah Hafiz.